How to unsend photo on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily unsend photos on Messenger. So first thing, just head over to your Messenger application and make sure you click on any of the chats where you have actually sent your photos. So to simply unsend your particular photo, you can just tap on that particular photo and long press on it. Click on this delete button over here. So once you click on delete, you can see there is two options, that is delete for everyone or delete for you. So if you want to delete this photo only for you, then only for you from your chat, then you can just select the second option. But if you want to delete it from both sides, that means if you don't want to see this photo for the other user to whom you have sent this as well, then just click on delete for everyone, just like this, and your photos will be successfully unsent on Messenger. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.